Welcome to Utisam Mathematics. I am on the series, the 7 building blocks of mathematics. Block 4, linear equation. And the linear equation, I'm looking at the third way of solving linear equation. To be specific, equations involving brackets. So let's start. Before I continue, if you have not subscribed, you can click on the subscribe button. So I have two questions on the screen now. Solve the following equations. The first one, 5x minus 3 is equal to 3 times x minus 4. Let's look at how we are going to solve this. As I said earlier, equations involving bracket. So you expand or you open up the bracket. So this implies that 5x minus 3 is equal to 3x minus 12. We then group the like terms. We have a term in x here, we have a term in x there on the left hand side. So we group all the numbers on one side, and then we group all the terms containing x on one side. So we have 5x. When this crosses the equal sign, it becomes minus 12 plus 3. So 5x minus 3x is giving us 2x minus 12 plus 3 minus 9. We want to find x, so we divide both sides by cancel 2 here. Then x will be equal to 2 will go into 9 4 times, remainder 1. So our x is equal to minus 4 whole number 1 on 2. Let's look at the second question. We have 4 times a plus 2 is equal to 3 times 2a minus 1. As I said, you open the bracket. So 4 times a, 4a, 4 times 2, 8 is equal to 3 times 2a, 6a, 3 times minus 1. So once again, we have a term in a on the left hand side and a term in a on the right hand side. So we put them together. We have 4a minus 6a, which is equal to minus 3 minus 8. So 4a minus 6a is minus 2a. It's minus because we are subtracting the bigger number from the smaller number. It's equal to minus 11. So we divide both sides by minus 2 cancel. So we have 11 on 2. So you don't leave your answer in improper fashion. So this is the same as 2 going to 11 5 times. Let's look at next set of questions. For the next set of questions, I have 3 on the screen. I will urge you to pause the video and then try them. So after going through the questions with you, you check with your solution if you are correct. So we have 3 times t plus 2 is equal to minus 3 t minus 1. So this implies that we open the bracket. So 3 times t, 3t plus 3 times 2, 6 is equal to minus 3t times 3. So let's group the like terms. 3t plus 3t is equal to 3 minus 6. So 3t plus 3t is giving us 6t, which is equal to both sides by 6. 6 will cancel 6. 3 will go here 1 minus that or to minus 1. Let's look at the fourth one. 4 times bracket open 3m minus 7 is equal to 3 times m plus 3 in bracket. So once again, let's open the bracket. 3 times 4 times 3m, you have 12m. 4 times minus 7 minus 28. This is equal to 9m plus 27. So we group the like terms. So 12m, we bring 9 to the left hand side, 9m This is equal to 27 plus 28. So 12m minus 9m giving us 3m, which is equal to 27 plus 28 is giving us 55. So we divide both sides by 3, so m is equal to 18 whole. Okay, let's look at the last question. 16 is equal to 12 times x plus 5 plus 5 minus x. So this implies that 16 is equal to 12 times x is 12x is 60 plus 5 minus x. So this implies that 16 is equal to 12x minus x is 11x plus 60 plus 5 is 65. So this implies that, let's group the like terms, put all the numbers together. 16 and 165 plus this equal sign becomes minus 65, which is equal to 11x. 16 minus 65 is minus 49, which is equal to 11x. So we want to find x. We divide both sides by 11, cancel. X becomes 11 goes to 49 and minus 4, and then remainder 5. That is our answer. So you can check the answers with what you had. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video. Once again, if you have not subscribed, I urge you to subscribe. In my next video, I'll be looking at the fourth way of solving linear equation. And don't miss this opportunity.